If you've been in the market for a luxury car, you may have considered buying brand new. But did you know you can get many of the same benefits by opting for one of the Lexus L certified used cars? Each L certified vehicle is meticulously inspected with our 161-point inspection to ensure that you're getting a vehicle that is in top shape. From the day you purchase or lease your L certified vehicle, you will receive complimentary maintenance covering the next 4 factory recommended services for 2 years or 20,000 miles, whichever comes first. In the unlikely event that you run into car trouble on the road, every Lexus L certified vehicle comes with the reassurance of Lexus roadside assistance, as well as trip protection, where Lexus will actually reimburse you for any unplanned lodging, food, and expenses that may come up. And of course, when you come in for service, you'll have the option to take a loaner car in case you need to be on your way. So if you're looking for a used luxury car at a price everybody can afford, look no further than the L Certified program here at Lexus River Center.